This video is ChatGPT for seniors, and today I have something a little bit different for you. Not a tutorial like usual, but a free gift. Have you ever sat down to ChatGPT and you opened it and you typed in a question and then you got the answer? You pushed enter and you got the answer, and you're wondering, wow, what answer is that? Why isn't it coming back sounding like what I was asking? And you're not sure what to do next? Does that sound familiar? I'm Vicky, and on my channel, I share step by step ways that you can use ChatGPT for travel planning. I made you something that might be helpful to help you learn ChatGPT and other AI programs. I made you a guide that's called the AI Travel Planning Starter Guide for Seniors. And I want to walk you through what's inside because I think it's going to change how you feel about using AI for travel. I know that new things are overwhelming. They are for me too. So take it one step at a time. The simple guide is written in plain English. No tech jargon, no assumptions that you already know how any of this works. Here's what's inside. Section 1 explains what AI actually is using an analogy that I think is going to click for you right away. Chapter 1 is what exactly is AI and why should you care? Chapter 2 walks you through the best free tools to use and exactly how to have your very first conversation with ChatGPT. It gives you 7 steps for your first conversation. Chapter 3 is my favorite. It's a complete step by step trip planner from picking a destination all the way through preparing for emergencies. And it includes real example prompts you can copy word for word. You don't have to figure out what to type, it's already done for you. Chapter 4 is your copy and paste prompt library. It's in the guide, and I'll provide you a link to just the library so you have all the prompts accessible to copy when you're making your own trip. Chapter 5 is all about online safety. I know all of us, most of us anyway, have concerns about privacy, and those concerns are completely valid. I address them directly in this guide. Chapter 6 is best tips for using AI. And at the very end, there's a quick reference card you can print out and keep it right by your computer. Plus, after you download the guide, look for the link to the free prompt library inside the welcome email. I added this because the guide in PDF can be difficult to copy and paste from. This guide that I made you is completely free. I just want you to have it. The link is in the description. All you have to do is drop in your email and it'll be in your inbox in a few seconds. And if this guide helps you, please tell your friends and family because word of mouth is the best way that we can get this word out and help them plan trips in just a few seconds or minutes instead of hours. If you're new here, welcome. I make step by step tutorials about ChatGPT for seniors for travel planning. I keep it simple, easy for anyone. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any more tutorials. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you in the next video.